Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my shrimp boil. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Also on Instagram, it's Callie_kitchen_1. You can also follow my business page on Instagram, it's Accessories by Leams. Once again guys, all of my recipes are listed down below. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. So here I have my corn, and of course this corn is homegrown corn. I also have my seasoning. I have my bell peppers, my scallion, my thyme, my garlic. Of course I have my onion. I have 4 eggs. And of course, I also have my Irish potatoes. I could not get the small potatoes, so I'm just going to use what I have. Of course, I also have my paprika, my seasoned up, my black pepper, my all-purpose seasoning. I have my Kerrygold butter, and this is the lighter butter. You can go ahead and try it out. It's really good. And of course I have my shrimp, and as you can see I did not remove the tail from the shrimp. So first thing that you want to do, you just want to go ahead and you just want to slice up your seasoning for your shrimp boil. As you can see, I'm slicing up my bell peppers, and I'm not going to slice it too small nor too big, because this we're going to boil it. And while I'm doing this, I have a pot on the stove with half water that I'm going to use to just boil my seasoning first before I add the corn, the egg, the Irish potato, and of course before I add the shrimp. And reason for this, you want to get all the flavor from the seasoning first before you add the other ingredients. Once again guys, if you're watching this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It's Callie J's Kitchen. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. It's Callie_kitchen_1. Go ahead and follow me also on Facebook. It's Callie J's Kitchen, and also I have a business page. It's Accessories by Leams. So for the garlic, we're not going to slice up the garlic. We're just going to go ahead and crush the garlic. Alright guys, so as I said before, I have the pot on the stove while I'm slicing up my seasoning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and add my seasoning to the boiling water. And of course you want to add your black pepper, the Maggi season up, and also you want to add your all-purpose seasoning. Reason for this, you want your water to have that nice flavor before you go ahead and add your shrimp, before you add your corn, and also before you add your Irish potatoes. And while you're doing this guys, remember to always taste. In most of my videos you guys might not see me use any salt at all. The reason for this is most of the seasoning that I use, it contains salt. So I don't need to use any salt. Alright, so I also added some paprika. And again guys, you want to always taste to ensure that it's the right flavor, and if you need to add or subtract some of the salt. Alright guys, so roughly after leaving this for 5 minutes, it's time to go ahead and start adding my corn. Now for this corn, it's gonna take roughly 15 minutes to cook. So I'm just gonna add it, and then I'm gonna add my Irish potatoes. For the Irish potatoes though, within 7 minutes these Irish potatoes should cook. So I'm going to remove the Irish potatoes, and if the corn cook as well, because these corn are not, you know, not too tough, they're kind of soft, so we might remove them also with the Irish potatoes. Alright guys, so I forgot to tell you guys that I'm also going to add the eggs, and of course you know the egg not going to take a long time to cook, so of course we're going to allow this to cook, and we're also going to ensure that we watch our pot because we don't want them to overcook. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and remove the eggs. As I said before, the egg take a little time to cook, not a long time. So I'm just going to remove them, and of course I'm going to remove the shell from the egg off camera. So once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell your friends and tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and remove my potatoes. As I said before, these potatoes take roughly 7 minutes to cook, because as you can see, I had to slice up my potatoes because I could not get the smaller potatoes rather. So I'm just using what I have. And guys, remember, cooking is about using what you have, being creative. So if you don't have potatoes, try to substitute the potato for something else. Alright guys, so it's a possibility I might remove the corn also because it's ready to be removed. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Instagram, it's Accessories by Leams. Also, you can follow my cooking page, it's Kali_kitchen_1. Go ahead, tell your family members, share my videos, and help me get to 2K subscribers. Once again, thank you for your support, thank you for your love. I really appreciate all that you have done for me. So guys, now that I've removed all of the food, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add my shrimp, and the shrimp take roughly 4 minutes to cook. And guys, for the garlic, I have gone ahead and grate my garlic off camera, and so it's a possibility you might not see me grating the garlic for the sauce. And guys, remember, you don't want to overcook your shrimp. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and make my sauce for my shrimp boil. So here I have some butter. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add the garlic. As I said before, I grate this garlic off camera. I'm also going to go ahead and add some of my season up just to give it a nice flavor. And also some of the paprika. And you want to ensure that this is evenly distributed. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some more of the Kerrygold butter. And guys, this video is not sponsored in any way, so I just love to use this butter. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna allow this to melt. Then what I'm going to do, I'm just gonna allow it to melt for roughly another 3 minutes. Also, it's a possibility I might have to add some more paprika, as you can see. So I'm just gonna add some more paprika, and then I'm just gonna allow this to melt some more. Then I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do next. Alright guys, so this is what my sauce looks like for my shrimp boil. So I'm just gonna remove it, and then I'm gonna show you the next step. Alright guys, so now it's time to go ahead and pour my sauce over my egg, my corn, my potatoes, and of course the shrimp. And some persons might not want to, pour the sauce over because they don't like the garlic butter sauce. That's fine. You can also pour it in a container and put it to the side just in case you want to dip. So I'm just going to pour the sauce, then I'm going to show you the final product of my shrimp boil. Alright guys, so there you have it, the final